Hey, hey Dallas. Hey, hey, you want some celery? Huh? 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 Want some celery? Yeah? Come on. Oh, what? Come on, you don't like it? Here. Come on. What's wrong with celery? Come on, isn't it good? Come on. No? You don't agree with the diet? Come on. Come on. This is what we eat now. No more dog food for you. Really? Come on. Come on. Here. Yummy. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do. Yeah. Oh, come on, it's good. Come on. No, where you going? Where you going? No. Come on. Celery. 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 Come on. You want some celery? Come on. Come on. Here. 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 No. Fine. Be that way. Can you at least sit? Will you sit? No? None of that either, huh? Well, see, that's why you gotta eat celery now.